Hello, it's me again. The pilot lights went out on my heater here. What you do is you turn it around to where it says pilot. Right there. Got to push it in a little. And then you can push it all the way in. You got to push it all the way in. And then you hold it. That lets the gas go into the pilot light. And then you stick it back in there. Can you see in there, Lucy? Where the pilot light thing is? Go over in the top. See, right down in there. Can you hold that right there, Lucy? Hold it right there. And then you push in on the thing and see it lights that pilot light. And there's a little thermocouple in there that has to heat up. And when that thermocouple heats up, it has to be touching the flame. It allows the pilot light to stay lit. And that's why your pilot light's not lit sometimes. So then you can turn your gas back on, which I turned it the wrong way. Let me try this again.
Tell them whose birthday it is.
It's my old birthday. Here, light that while you sing to me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa Goat. Happy birthday to you.
And at least 55 more.
At least 70 more.
You think I'll make it that long? You'll have to be pushing me in something. Bye-bye now.